Welcome to Touch and Fetch.
Hello friends, welcome to Touch and Fetch. Here the unboxing video of RealMe X2 Pro. Let's see it. Now I am going to tell you about this mobile design. This has metal and glass build. In display, fingerprint scanner, USB-C, headphone port and metal and glass build. When it comes to display, it has 6.5-inch display, Super AMOLED panel, 90 Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 5. Positive of RealMe X2 Pro as super fast charging, silky smooth display, top shelf internals and good camera setup. Negative of this device, Color OS still needs to work. This device has a quad camera module on the back featuring a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 13 megapixel telephoto sensor, an 8 megapixel ultrawide sensor, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, the phone has a 16 megapixel shooter for selfies in camera rear. What's in the box? Realme X2 Pro 50 watt Super VOOC charger, TPU case, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide. Those who looking to expand the storage will be out of luck, as the X2 Pro lacks a micro SD card slot at the higher storage configurations. This will likely not matter, but for those with the 64 GB version, it is certainly an important consideration. Value for money. This device comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. You can snag the Realme X2 Pro for Rs 30,000 for the 8 GB RAM variant with 128 GB of storage. Meanwhile, the higher end variant with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage is priced at Rs 34,000. If you want the Master Edition colorways, you will have to splurge an additional Rs 1000, bringing the price to Rs 35,000. Battery. This device has a 4000 mAh battery and the ability to charge exceedingly fast with an inbox 50 watt Super VOOC flash charger. On the software, it boosts the Android 9.0 Pie operating covered under Realme's customized ColorOS 6.1. User interface simplicity also comes in the form of keeping non-essential apps to a minimum. At the moment, ColorOS seems pretty great. Below description, I have mentioned the link to buy the product. Click it and buy it. Thank you.
I hope you guys try it out. Like my channel. If you want to follow us, subscribe our channel. Hit thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.